So I'm here today to share with you all this wig that's made by Main Concept. And if you glam dolls are not familiar with who Main Concept is, that's because they were formerly known as Isis from the Isis collection. However, they since changed their name over to Main Concept. And Main Concept is the leading hair manufacturer and distributor within the hair industry. Now, they created other wig lines such as RCP, which is Red Carpet Premiere, Brown Sugar Collections, and Afri Natural, just to name a few. But this wig that I'm wearing in particular is from their Brown Sugar collection. So just to make sure that I do have its specs and everything else correctly about it, I'm going to read it to you from its packaging. So I'm rocking the Brown Sugar Frontal Lace Human Hair Style Mix. It is a lace front wig. She's curl iron safe, she's flat iron safe, and she has a 13x4 parting space. The style name is called BSF12. That's BSF12, and the color that I am wearing is OS1B/Sangria, and this wig is part of Main Concept Oil Slick Hair Color Series. This is what it's going to look like. That is the model that is on the packaging. This is the packaging when you see it. And this is what it's looking like when you get it out of its packaging. And when it comes to this wig, I did a little bit of manipulation to it. Meaning I used my fingers and I just loosened the curls up and then I cut the lace off the wig. But I want to first touch base on where it says Human Hair Style Mix. When it comes to Main Concept, they really have gotten so innovative and creative. First, for creating the Oil Slick Hair Color Series, like it's the color that you're seeing, and the colors are not overwhelming. It's definitely daytime wear friendly, and they also really gotten innovative when they created the Human Hair Style Mix in on a wig line. Now, when it comes to the Human Hair Style Mix, that is an added technology that Main Concept started using with maintaining the wig of hair texture, meaning it's human hair. However, it has an additional additive in it that helps prevent the hair from frizzing up or excessively tangling due to certain weather, climate, or conditions that you may wear your wig in. So when it comes to Main Concept, I like to give y'all a big thumbs up just for those two things by itself. Now, going back on the Oil Slick Hair Color Series, this is an Oil Slick Hair Color, and it's OS1B/Sangria, and as I was saying, it's daytime wear friendly. It's definitely not overwhelming. You can wear this during the day and you're not going to feel no kind of way about it. And when it comes to the hair texture, it definitely feels like some kind of bundle hair. I can't quite identify which kind, but it's definitely some type of bundle hair mix. And yeah, I'm absolutely loving this wig, and I want to give you a fair chance to see what it's looking like from the front, the back, and the side. So I'm gonna do that for you. And when I turn around to the back, if you happen to see any spacing back there, just please keep in mind that's because I have the wig coming forward like what you are seeing. So this is what it's looking like from the front right here. And put this to the back. That's what it's looking like from the front. This is what it's looking like from the side view. This is the wig from the back. Yeah, it's pretty long. I'm loving. This is the wig from the side. And this is her from the front. And what I'm loving about the colors that's in this wig is I love how it flows throughout the hair, kind of like an ombre-esque effect. Now, when it comes to also the 13x4 parting space, you do have a large amount of parting space where you can part this wig any which way in your perimeter that your heart desire. I just did the flip over method, and that's because I'm kind of in a rush because I got somewhere to be and I didn't want to spend too much time trying to perfect my parting space. But this is it, dolls. What you're seeing is exactly what you're going to get. So on that note, dolls, this pretty much concluded the video. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the MzGlamourAddict YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button and join in on an amazing official Glam Doll community. My name is Glam, but the official Glam Dolls on here, they call me MGA. I'm all about being a beauty on a budget who loves not breaking bank for a fabulous look. So on this channel, what you're going to get is me sharing a lot of fab beauty on a budget finds that you won't have to break your bank for. But seriously, this concluded the video. Once again, thank you for watching the video, but don't forget, we still got to stay socially connected, so please keep in mind, I am on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Twitter with more beauty alerts and fab beauty on a budget finds. So I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.